Building a classifier boundary, part 1. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be setting up what I'm going to call pre-work to do the work to find a boundary between our types of flowers. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So when you start getting into more complex problems, and especially production level items, you're going to find out that you're going to be doing a lot of pre-work, setup work, test work, validation work. I'd say half of your work is going to be not noticed. So tracking of the work, all sorts of things. All right. So that's just the little speech for the day. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So, all right. So we need to start bringing this stuff in. We're going to be utilizing a data frame to be helping us with this. So one thing is we need to clean this up a little bit, because we're going to use this as our headers. But I don't want my header to be that long. I really don't care the unit of measurement. So I need to begin to think about how, I don't know why I can't do that. So let's index out 0. Okay, I need to drop a lot of this. So all the way through -5 maybe? Let's start there. Bingo, that's it. So let's make our feature names. Let's bring this over so we can see it. Then boom, -5, close, for I in feature names. All right, let's test this. Bingo. All right, so now what we need to do is our data frame is going to have five columns. It's also going to have the name of the flower. So feature name. So we're creating the header right here. That's what we're doing. And I'm just going to throw in, let's capitalize this, run again, and I put the S in the wrong spot. That's what it was. Okay. So here we are. Now let's go ahead and bring in the data frame, and we're going to be using a different technique. We just borrowed this to get in the feature names. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to mix and match and make stuff work. Okay. So we can see. Okay, so we're using a pandas read CSV function. Here's the URL, and then we're using our list right here to pass in our data frame. Let's bring this over. There we go. Sorry, I need to bring that up. So let's bring that back over. So all right. Pandas data frame using the names argument for the header, for the column names, and did not mean to use header because there is a header argument, but we're using the names to name the columns, and we're using a list and passing that through. So now let's come back over here. So now we have a nice pretty data frame, and we're going to be isolating the petal length and looking for a clean boundary between Setosa, I think I'm saying that right, and non-Setosa flowers. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. A lot of great conversations going on over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.